Hi guys! So today we're gonna be making DIY slime. And what you're gonna need is first, glitter glue. Next, liquid detergent. Next, you're going to need 2 pieces of craft sticks or barbecue sticks. A mixing bowl, a sealed container, something flat, and measuring cups. Okay, so if you don't have your own glitter glue, you can use a normal glue and some glitters. So what you want to do first is take your mixing bowl, your measuring cups, and your glue. And you're going to need 1/4 cup of glue. Since I don't have 1/4 cup, I only have 15 cc. I am going to have to do 4 measurements of this. Okay, so since this won't make 1/4 cup, I'm going to use the normal glue. And then I'm just going to add glitter later on. $15, $30, $45, and the last cup. And I'm going to add some glitter. And then I'm going to start to mix the glitter into the glue. Add more glitter if you're not satisfied. Because I'm not. But go on. Oh my gosh! Okay, the next thing you want to do is measure 2.5 cc of your liquid detergent. Actually, I'm going to measure 10 cc so I can achieve the right consistency of slime. Because I actually tried mixing 60 cc of glue with only 2.5 cc of liquid detergent and I didn't quite like the consistency, so I kept adding 2.5 cc 4 times. So I think every 15 cc of glue needs 2.5 cc of liquid detergent. So in this case, I'm going to just use 10 cc already. So I'm going to be using this for the meantime because the camera died. And I'm going to keep mixing until I have achieved the right consistency that I want for my slime. So I'm going to add more glitters so there's more glitters. And you can also use 2 craft sticks if you think 1 craft stick is not strong enough to mix your slime. So you can also keep mixing until you can see that the slime does not stick anymore to the sides. You can use it to take out some slime from the side, like that. Okay, so since it looks like there are no more glitters in the slime, I'm going to add more. So if the slime still feels a bit gluey, you can add some liquid detergent in small amounts. So since it still has that glue consistency, I added 2.5 cc more and then mixed. So as you can see, the slime began clumping together, and that is a good sign. So I tested to see if the slime has already set, and it doesn't stick to my finger anymore. After stretching it out and playing with it on the smooth flat surface with your hands, you should have something like this. Place it in a sealed container afterwards so you can have some place to keep it. So there you have it. You can make your own slime at home using these simple ingredients. And don't forget to have fun and be creative. I am May Angelica from grade 12 STEM 5, and I'll see you guys soon.